Have you ever wondered why Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is also the most dense? As we embark on this celestial journey, let's dive into the enigma that is Mercury. Imagine a world where a year lasts just 88 Earth days and a day is longer than its year. That's Mercury for you. The closest planet to the Sun, it's a tiny celestial body with a big personality. Despite its diminutive size, Mercury packs quite a punch, holding the title as the most dense planet in our solar system, a distinction usually reserved for larger planets. You might be tempted to think that Mercury's high density is due to its close proximity to the Sun's immense gravitational pull. However, that's not the case. Mercury's exceptional density is a result of its composition. It's primarily made up of a large metallic core enveloped by a thin mantle and crust, making it denser than even Earth. Speaking of proximity to the Sun, this factor plays a significant role in shaping Mercury's diverse surface temperatures. During the day, the temperatures can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. But don't let this fool you. As night falls, the temperature plummets to a chilling minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than the darkest corners of the moon. This dramatic shift in temperature is due to Mercury's thin atmosphere, which fails to retain heat. These fascinating characteristics make Mercury a world of extremes and contrasts. Its small size belies its density, and its close proximity to the Sun results in drastic temperature swings. These unique features make Mercury a subject of immense interest and extensive study among astronomers. Mercury's intriguing features have piqued the curiosity of astronomers for centuries, leading to extensive study and exploration. As we delve deeper into our exploration, let's uncover more about this tiny yet dense planet that continues to mystify us with its enigma. The discovery of Mercury dates back to ancient times, with records from the Sumerians as early as the 2nd millennium BC. This tiny, blazingly quick planet, the closest to the Sun, has intrigued human minds for millennia. The ancient Sumerians, a civilization known for its advanced astronomy, were likely the first to document this celestial body. Mercury's fast-paced orbit around the Sun, completing a full cycle in just 88 days, made it stand out in the night sky. Its swift movement was a spectacle for the ancients, who often associated celestial bodies with their deities. Hence, it's no surprise that the Romans named this planet after their god Mercury, the swift-footed messenger of the gods, who was also the deity of commerce, travel, and thievery. But the Romans weren't the only ones captivated by this celestial body. The Greeks had two names for it: Apollo when it was visible in the morning sky, and Hermes in the evening. The Hindus named it Buddha, and the Germans Wotan. Each culture imbued it with unique attributes, reflecting their understanding and interpretation of the universe. But it wasn't just its speed that caught the attention of ancient astronomers. Mercury's proximity to the Sun made it a challenging object to observe, adding to its mystique. Its elusive nature led to many misconceptions. For instance, until the 16th century, it was believed that Mercury was two separate entities, Mercury and Apollo, appearing at different times in the sky. It was only with the advent of the telescope that we began to unravel Mercury's secrets. Galileo's observations in the early 17th century marked a significant milestone in our understanding of this enigmatic planet. Though his telescope was not powerful enough to see Mercury in detail, it confirmed that it orbited the Sun, helping to validate the heliocentric model of the solar system. From ancient times to the present day, Mercury's rapid skyward journey continues to fascinate us. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, who knows what other secrets this swift celestial messenger holds? The first close-up observations of Mercury were made by NASA's Mariner 10 spacecraft, which flew past the planet 3 times in 1974 and 1975. This marked the beginning of our intimate exploration of the smallest planet in our solar system, a world of extremes and enigmas. Mariner 10's journey was not an easy one. The spacecraft had to withstand temperatures of over 350 degrees Celsius as it got closer to the Sun, but the mission proved to be worth the risk. As Mariner 10 sailed past Mercury, it beamed back the first close-up images of the planet's barren, cratered surface, revealing a world that looked eerily similar to our moon. But the surprises didn't stop there. Mariner 10 detected a magnetic field around Mercury, a finding that puzzled scientists. You see, a planet's magnetic field is usually a result of its internal dynamo, driven by the rotation of its liquid metal core. But Mercury, being so small, should have cooled and solidified billions of years ago, leaving no room for such activity. This discovery posed a new question: how could Mercury, against all odds, have a magnetic field? The spacecraft also mapped about half of Mercury's surface, providing us with a detailed look at its geology for the first time. It discovered long cliffs or scarps, some stretching hundreds of kilometers, suggesting that the planet might have shrunk over time. It also found evidence of ancient volcanic activity, painting a picture of a world that was once geologically active. Mariner 10's mission was not just about gathering data, though. It was about sparking curiosity, about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. It was about looking at our universe with fresh eyes and seeing the beauty and mystery that lie in the far reaches of our solar system. The Mariner 10 mission marked a significant milestone in our understanding of Mercury, but there was still much more to discover. As we continue to explore Mercury, each new finding brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of this enigmatic planet, and who knows what surprises await us in the future. Fast forward to the 21st century, and our knowledge of Mercury has expanded thanks to the Messenger spacecraft. Launched in 2004, the spacecraft orbited the planet closest to the Sun for 4 years, from 2011 to 2015, offering an up-close and personal view of this mysterious world. One of the most fascinating discoveries of the Messenger mission was the evidence of water ice on Mercury. You might think it's impossible for a planet so close to the Sun to harbor ice, but Mercury's axis is almost perfectly straight. This means some of its craters, particularly near its poles, are permanently shadowed from the Sun's scorching rays. So, within these craters, temperatures can dip below -200 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to preserve water ice. The discovery of water ice on Mercury challenges our understanding of where in the solar system water can exist. But water wasn't the only surprise hiding on Mercury. The Messenger spacecraft also unveiled the planet's unusual geological activity. Mercury is a small planet, and according to conventional wisdom, it should have cooled and become geologically dead billions of years ago. Yet Messenger found that the planet is shrinking. As the planet's interior cools, it contracts, leading to the formation of wrinkles on its surface, known as lobate scarps. This suggests that Mercury is still geologically active, a revelation that upends our previous understanding of the planet. The Messenger mission also discovered that Mercury has an unusually large iron core, which generates a magnetic field. This magnetic field is about 1% as strong as Earth's, but it's still capable of deflecting the solar wind, creating a magnetosphere around the planet. The Messenger mission revolutionized our understanding of Mercury, revealing a world far more complex than previously thought. These discoveries remind us that the universe is full of surprises, and there's always more to learn, even about our closest neighbors. So, what have we learned about the smallest planet in our solar system? This celestial body, Mercury, despite being the tiniest planet in our solar system, packs a punch with its unique characteristics and intriguing history. Our journey began with the discovery of Mercury, the elusive planet that dances so close to the Sun. Its proximity to this fiery star makes it difficult to observe, but that hasn't deterred us from delving into its secrets. We've learned that Mercury, unlike other planets, has a highly eccentric orbit, meaning it swings between being incredibly close to the Sun and then far away. This results in a planet with extreme temperatures, from scorching hot to freezing cold, a testament to its resilience and its fascinating nature. Our exploration of Mercury took us through the many missions that have been undertaken to understand this planet better. From Mariner 10 to Messenger, each mission has peeled back a layer of Mercury's enigma. We've discovered that Mercury's surface is riddled with craters, scars from a long history of meteor impacts, creating a landscape that is both harsh and beautiful. One of the most startling revelations from the Messenger mission was the confirmation of water ice at Mercury's poles. Yes, you heard that right. Even in the extreme heat of its close solar orbit, Mercury manages to host ice in its permanently shadowed craters. a discovery that has reshaped our understanding of this planet. As we've journeyed through Mercury's story, we've seen a planet that is far from being just a small, sun-scorched rock. It's a world of extremes, a testament to the diversity and wonder of our solar system. It's a planet that continues to surprise us, revealing new secrets and posing new questions with each new discovery. Despite its small size, Mercury is a world of wonders, full of surprises and mysteries that continue to captivate us.